din po teachers and other government employees. So, meron pong ilalabas na bagong multi-purpose loan buyout program. Ito po ang GSIS na sigurado po makakatulong po sa atin para po sa ating mga loan. So, ang tanong lang po ay, meron ba tayong pag-asa na makapag-apply dito sa GSIS MPL Max? So, marami nga pong lumabas ng mga balita lately about po dito sa bago pong ilalabas na multi-purpose loan ng GSIS. No? Sa iba't iba pong mga branches ng GSIS, may lumabas po no, ng mga posts na meron nga pong bagong multi-purpose loan na ilalabas itong GSIS. At doon din po sa ating GSIS Touch ay may lumabas din po na type ng loans. Ito pong multi-purpose loan buyout. Kaya lang, ito pong loan is currently not available. Labas na po ng GSIS Memorandum Circular number 63 series of 2025. Ito nga po yung GSIS Multi-Purpose Loan Buyout Program. At dito po malaman natin kung tayo po ba ay qualified, paano mag-apply, magkano po ang ating makukuha kung tayo ay mag-avail nito pong loan. So, una po sa lahat ay kung tayo ba may pag-asa para makapag-avail nitong GSIS Multi-Purpose Loan Buyout Program. So, diretso na po tayo dito po sa baba. So, nakalagay po rito, dito sa kanilang memorandum, nakalagay po rito sa kanilang memorandum number 2, the multi-purpose buyout program shall be availed for the purpose of settling the members' outstanding obligations with lending institutions and GSIS if any, with GSIS loans being the priority in the restructuring of loans. In case the maximum loanable amount is insufficient to cover the outstanding loans from GSIS and or the PLIs, the member borrower shall not be eligible to the multi-purpose buyout program. Then number 3 po, member borrowers with existing GFAL may avail of the multi-purpose buyout program provided that is not in default and the member borrower has existing MPL under the original MPL program like MPL Plus or MPL Flex. Member borrowers may choose which lending institution loans to apply under the multi-purpose buyout program. Then number 4, the loan proceeds to be paid to lending institutions shall be net of deductions to be imposed by the GSIS. Example, advance interest payment, service fees, and loan redemption insurance. The lending institution should be in the list of accredited or recognized lending institutions irrespective of whether or not they are covered under the automatic payroll deductions submitted by the agency to the GSIS. And lastly, the net take-home pay of the member borrower must adhere to the provision on the minimum net take-home pay set forth in the General Appropriations Act that is being implemented at the time that the loan is granted. So, yan po yung mga general guidelines. Now, sino po yung mga qualified borrowers? Nakalagay po rito, active members whose agency has executed a MOA on multi-purpose buyout program should be qualified to avail of the multi-purpose buyout program provided that such member borrower, una po, has no existing MPL account under the original MPL program like MPL Plus or MPL Flex, has an outstanding loans from lending institutions which is being repaid through salary deduction or reflected in the payslip of the member borrower, has no GFAL account in default, it's not on leave of absence without pay at the time of application, has paid at least 1 month of premium contribution, personal share, and government share within the last 6 months prior to the application, or at least 1 month of premium contribution during the service period if your period of employment is less than 6 months at the time of the application. Has no pending administrative case or criminal case, provided, however, that if the pending administrative case or charge is for a light offense, the member borrower shall remain eligible. Number 7 is employed with an agency whose status is not suspended in GSIS record system. And lastly, has a resulting net take-home pay after loan availment of not lower than the amount required under the GAA after all required monthly obligations have been deducted. So, clear po yan. Teachers and other government employees, ito pong guidelines how to avail ito pong GSIS Multi-Purpose Loan Buyout Program or MPL Max. So, thank you po for watching. I hope na clear na po sa atin itong MPL Max na talagang nagpa-excite po sa atin. And please subscribe po for more videos about GSIS MPL Max, ano po yung how to apply, magkano po yung amount for our next video. So yun lang po at maraming salamat.